You ever wonder why one immigration case can look like a soap opera with 3 plot twists and a cliffhanger? Married once, divorced twice, name changed like a witness protection program, and suddenly your paperwork looks like a mystery novel nobody asked for. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Immigration officers do not care about your love story. They care about proof, timelines, and paper trails that actually match up. So picture your file as a puzzle, except somebody spilled coffee on half the pieces and mailed some of them from a different country. That is basically what a lawyer sees when multiple marriages, divorces, and name changes show up across borders. The number one rule is simple. Every single marriage and divorce needs its own certificate, and yes, that means digging through records older than your favorite 1995 sitcom. If a divorce was never finalized properly in one country, guess what? The next marriage can legally not exist in the eyes of immigration, even if everybody at the wedding had a lovely time. This is where lawyers earn their money, because they trace what is called the chain of legal status, basically making sure marriage number 1 legally ended before marriage number 2 legally began. Now let us talk name changes, because immigration systems love consistency more than your ex loved drama. If your passport says one name, your marriage certificate says another, and your old visa says a third, you are not being mysterious. You are creating a 5-alarm paperwork fire. Lawyers usually request what is called a deed poll, or court-ordered name change document, plus affidavits explaining the name journey like a mini autobiography. Translation matters too, because a document from a country with a different alphabet or naming order can confuse a system built for straightforward templates. A common misunderstanding is thinking one big explanation letter fixes everything, but immigration wants documents, not a heartfelt essay, even if that essay deserves an award. Another myth is thinking older marriages do not matter if they ended decades ago, but immigration timelines often stretch back further than most people expect, sometimes back to the 80s or 90s. The real skill of a good immigration lawyer is organizing chaos into a clean, chronological, boring-looking file, because boring is exactly what gets approved fastest. Preparation beats panic every time, so gathering documents early, even the annoying old ones, saves you months of stress later. If your immigration story sounds like a telenovela with subtitles, do not worry, you are not alone, and there are people who untangle stories exactly like yours every single day. Want to learn more about how we help with complex cases like this? Check out our links in the description.